The dual dashcam 2.5K 1080p QHD provides exceptional clarity with its high-resolution recording capabilities, capturing every detail on the road during both day and night. Equipped with dual-channel lenses, this dash camera enhances visibility, ensuring comprehensive coverage of the road ahead and behind, even in low-light conditions. With its 24-hour parking monitoring and built-in G-sensor, the dash cam offers increased security by automatically detecting impacts and recording them. The dash cam features seamless loop recording and comes with a 64-gigabyte card, ensuring no important footage is lost and offering expandable storage up to 256 gigabytes. Users will appreciate the intuitive 3.39-inch IPS screen, which allows for easy navigation and real-time footage playback, making it user-friendly for all. This dash cam is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, from passenger cars to SUVs, though it is not recommended for commercial trucks with vertical windshields.